Boosted versus naturally aspirated. Let's see the difference. Here we go. Hello Hennessey Performance fans, welcome to another great video. My name is Alex. We're on the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track, and today we have a very exciting matchup for you. We have a stock GM SUV Escalade versus the GMC Yukon. They both have the 6.2 liter V8 engine, and today we are going to be comparing the H650 package versus the stock form. And let's see what the supercharged V8 does against the non-supercharged V8. So, boosted versus naturally aspirated. Let's see the difference. Here we go.
I'm ready.
All right, I'm ready. That's like it's like 3 bus links. Holy crap, that is way more of a difference than I thought it would ever be, honestly.
Dude, I'm pretty sure you ended up in a different area code at the end of that. I was wide open.
That is nuts. Like, in all honesty, complete transparency, I did not think the difference was going to be that big. That was maybe one of the biggest gaps I've ever seen on one of these comparison races.
I mean, I launched it at like 1500 RPM too, so.
So did I. We both
launched at about 1500 and we were both in 2-wheel drive, and wow, huge difference. Let's come around this back corner, line up, and try to hit it at the same time, just to come match my speed, and then we'll hit it, keep it in auto.
sounds good.
Also, it's raining, so this really, it's kind of increasing from drizzle, so let's have this be the last one. Okay, we're gonna reel him in. He got the major jump, and we're just gonna walk. Actually, maybe we're jogging right past him. Goodbye. See ya. Wow. I mean, it's really impressive. Really, really impressive. So, the great thing about the H650 package on the GM SUVs, which includes Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, and Escalade, is the fact that, number one, it's a lot of increased horsepower on your GM SUV. It keeps all the OEM reliability and functionality. We don't change anything. You don't lose anything. All it is just faster and better.